In this video, I'll guide you through how to get an Amazon Prime credit card. Whether you're looking to maximize your shopping rewards or streamline your checkout process, having an Amazon Prime credit card can be a great asset. Let's dive into how you can get one set up quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to the Amazon website. Once you're there, hover over the Account and Lists menu at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Account. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon account. Next, look for the Your Payments section. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods, including adding new cards. Once you're in Your Payments, navigate to the Cards and Accounts tab. Here, you'll see an option to add a card or a payment method. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for selecting the type of Amazon Prime credit card you're interested in. Now, you'll need to decide which card suits you best. Amazon offers two main options, the Prime Visa and the Store card. Each has its own set of benefits, so consider what aligns with your shopping habits. The Prime Visa might be appealing if you frequently shop both on and off Amazon, while the Store card is often tailored for Amazon purchases alone. After selecting the card you're interested in, click on the Learn More button. This action will redirect you to a page where you can begin the pre-qualification process. Look for the Pre-Qualify button, which will guide you to a secure application form. This step is designed to ensure that you meet the basic criteria for card approval without impacting your credit score. Now it's time to enter your personal details. The form will ask for your social security number, annual income, and housing costs. Be sure to provide accurate information as this will be used to assess your application. This part of the process is straightforward but essential for ensuring you're eligible for the credit card. Once you've submitted your details, you'll typically receive an instant decision. Amazon's system is quite efficient, and in most cases, you'll know the outcome in under 60 seconds. This quick response time means you won't be left waiting to find out if you've been approved. If you receive an approval, Amazon makes it incredibly convenient by adding the card to your checkout options immediately. This means you can use it for your current purchase even before the physical card arrives in the mail. It's a seamless way to start enjoying the benefits of your Amazon Prime credit card right away. And there you have it. Getting an Amazon Prime credit card is a pretty straightforward process, and the convenience it offers can enhance your overall shopping experience. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now set to make the most of your Amazon shopping. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.